Welcome to Project Digital Academy. In this lesson, we will learn Copywriting Basics for Beginners. We will ask what copywriting means, what copywriting is. So, if you want to consider copywriting as a career and learn copywriting basics as a beginner, Udemy provides copywriting courses. Click on this link below to learn more about copywriting as a beginner with a certificate upon completion. Yay! Before we get into today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So, you want to do copywriting as a beginner but not sure what copywriting is? Well, with all the copywriting definitions online, it can be really confusing what copywriting is. The confusion of what copywriting means might come from the shared similarities of the meaning of content writing versus copywriting. Though similar, they are not the same. So, here is a clearer meaning of what copywriting is. Copywriting is promotional or persuasive content. Copywriting is a money-making career in 2024 that is incorporated in advertising, marketing, and sales. Copywriting focuses on writing content that promotes products and services. Usually, copywriters craft effective advertising and promotional material such as ad copy, social media posts, email campaigns, blog posts, website copy, and much more. In other words, it is the writing that is used on the marketing material to promote to a target audience. So, what is a target audience when it comes to copywriting? As we are still in the pursuit of what copywriting means, as previously stated, copywriting focuses on writing content that promotes products and services through writing. Who are copywriters persuading and promoting products and services to? Copywriters are writing content to promote and persuade products and services to a target audience. A target audience is a specific group of people that a product, service, or message is intended for. It is important for a copywriter to understand what is the business or organization's target audience in order to tailor spot-on communication and marketing strategies to a specific or particular group. A copywriter needs to understand about the target audience, the demographic, psychographic, and their behavior characteristics. So, what is the purpose of a copywriter writing to a target audience? Mainly is for a target audience to take a specific action. What is the specific action the target audience needs to take? In copywriting, specific actions refer to clearly defining the desired action that the copywriter wants the target audience to take after reading the copy. This could be anything from making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, filling out a form, or clicking on a link. However, copywriting does not only focus on persuading target audience to take a specific action, but also to create a brand awareness. Copywriting and brand awareness. Copywriting as a career is also concerned with creating brand awareness. Understanding what copywriting is, it is important to understand the purpose of copywriting is rooted in persuading and attracting a larger target audience than the ones the brand already has. Brand awareness refers to the extent to which consumers are familiar with the distinctive qualities or image of a particular brand. It reflects the ability of potential customers to recognize or recall a brand in various situations. It is the responsibility of a copywriter to write consistent copy materials that shape up the image and the identity of a brand. This helps with maintaining a target audience and attracting a new audience. This can be achieved through various marketing and advertising efforts such as social media campaigns, content marketing, and traditional advertising. To be able to maintain brand awareness as a copywriter, you need to understand the brand's customers' behavior. What is customer behavior in the context of copywriting? Understanding what copywriting is requires you to also have an insight of the behaviors of people who are set to purchase the products or services that you are advertising. Creating appropriate and aligned content for customers, copywriters need to know the emotional triggers of the customers, how to solve problems and pain points of customers, have knowledge of how to gain trust of the customers and maintain credibility, understanding the persona of your audience and customer, and the decision process of your audience or customer. After understanding the customer's behavior as a copywriter, you need to know how to effectively communicate the message that will persuade a specific action. Usually, copywriters use a storytelling technique to persuade customers or audience. In copywriting, storytelling uses a narrative technique to engage and connect with audiences. Storytelling plays a role in copywriting to help with engagement in making an impactful and memorable message, creates emotional connection, which increases brand loyalty, makes brand and its products and services relatable to audience, demonstrate value in how products have solved the problems of others, and making the benefits more tangible and conveys brand's identity. In conclusion, what copywriting means is the skill and practice of writing promotional or persuasive content with the intention of persuading the reader or target audience or customer to take a specific action. It is commonly used in advertising, marketing, and sales to attract attention, generate interest, build brand awareness, and ultimately drive desired customer behavior, such as making a purchase or signing up for a service, and much more. Copywriters use persuasive language, storytelling techniques, and a mastery of communication to craft compelling and effective messages that resonates with the target audience and motivates them to take the desired action. Okay, that's it for today. Please don't forget to click on the course link below to get your copywriting certificate for beginners at Udemy. This course only takes less than 1 hour, so you can click on the link today and get your certificate today. Till next time.